Reliance Industries Limited under Mukesh Ambani has been diversifying for the last decade. The company is mainly into refining and has done backward integration. So, this petrochemical giant decided to diversify. It started by investing heavily in a new telecom venture, Geo. Along the way, it started and became one of the largest players in retail. In the last 10 years, there has been only a growth story in Reliance Retail, and Reliance Retail is yet to make a substantial contribution to the bottom line of Reliance Industries. However, Mukesh Ambani has continued to invest in Reliance. As a part of diversifying into Reliance Retail, he has set up an organization called Reliance Brands Limited. The idea of Reliance Brands Limited is basically to become the master franchisee for several large brands across the world. He has tied up with many brands. Some of the brands he has tied up with are Jimmy Choo, Burberry, Hugo Boss, Tiffany, the jewelry retailer, Mark and Spencer, and many more. But the biggest master franchise he tied up was with Hamley. Let us examine what happened in Hamley. Welcome back to Be Rich. Hamleys is a toy store that was set up in England 261 years ago by William Hamley. This is considered as a high end retailer. And in India, at times, people compare the toy store Hamley with the Harrods of London. This brand tie up has given a lot of visibility to Reliance Retail Limited. However, toy retailing has taken a big hit. Toys R You, one of the biggest toy retailers in America, was crushed by debt and had to file for bankruptcy in 2017. Though under a new owner, it has made a remarkable recovery before the pandemic hit. In 2017, Mukesh Ambani signed up as a master franchisee for Hamleys in India and started with 45 stores. However, Hamley, which was once owned by an Icelandic bank, to a French fashion show, and to a Chinese company, was up for sale, and there was plenty of pain in Hamley as it was racking up losses. Mukesh Ambani decided to buy the worldwide operations of Hamley in 2019. This was just before the pandemic struck. As soon as the ink had gone dry on the agreement to buy this family store, the pandemic struck and the entire industry in Europe was forced to shut down. All non essential retail also shut down. The flagship store of Hamleys, which was started in 1881, was forced to be shut and has just recently opened. In markets like India and China, Hamleys is considered recession proof and toys are recession proof because emotions overtake financial wisdom when people make up their minds. Hamleys in its next avatar is now trying to be everything to everybody. It started off being a high-end toy store servicing to only rich kids to a point where it is able to sell something which even the middle class can buy. But the real competition for Toys R You and Hamleys is not another retail store, but is, as we well know, the internet. Amazon and Flipkart, which is backed by Walmart, is now into selling stores. As category by category fall away from retail, like music, cell phones, cameras, dresses, large portion of toy sales has now moved to online. The pandemic has accentuated it and has increased the pace at which people use the e-commerce sites. So the competition for a Hamley is not another Toys R You or any other store, but is definitely Amazon and Flipkart. For Hamleys to survive and do well, it has to compete in the e-commerce space. Luckily for Hamley, its parent Mukesh Ambani has made deep investments in setting up his own super app for selling his products much like Amazon and Flipkart. He is now selling through Reliance Jio WhatsApp. He has tied up with Facebook and other tech giants in a way to set up a mega retail presence online to compete with Amazon and Flipkart. Hamleys has to ride on those if it has any chance of making it big. The Hamleys, after the pandemic, has announced that it will quadruple the number of stores to 500 in a year's time to expand its footprint and presence. The number of stores in UK are being more than doubled. There is planned of rapid expansion in India and China. There is also news that Mukesh Ambani wants to take Hamley to South Africa. So, once Mr. Mehta, who is the head of Reliance brand, believes that once the pandemic is over, there will be strong pent up demand, and even in England, definitely there will be a revival, and there has to be a big pent up demand sale taking place. And in stores like in India, then sales would return to normal. However, whatever may be the case, the fact that Mukesh Ambani has been able to buy such a big brand and open stores across Indian cities has meant that the visibility that Hamley has given Reliance retail brand is unparalleled and is value for money. I'm sure with the deep pockets of Mukesh Ambani, Hamleys will turn the corner and show a profit with a substantial sale coming from the internet. Thank you for watching. Be rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.